In this video, I will show you how to pay Dexscreener from Pumpfun so that you can get a ban out on your coin as well as updated information so that people can easily find the website, Twitter, and Telegram account of your token. So first and foremost, you should have a token on Dexscreener. So head over to Moonshot and here you'll be able to find the launch your token option. So hit on that and you'll be able to create a token and upload all of the required information to create a token on Dexscreener. Now, once you have published your token, go ahead and open your token on the list of latest token and click on the right hand side section and then scroll down to the bottom. From there, we can look for your tokens emoji and a section that says additional token info not available. From there, we can click on the update token info to get redirected into a new page where you can enter enhanced token info for $300. So go ahead and order that or pay for that. Make sure that you have an account. You'll get taken into a new page where you can choose the enhanced token info page so we can learn more and we can once again click order from there. So you'll need to start filling out the required information and adding all of the missing information on that specific token of yours. Now once you have set that up, you can go ahead and pay for that $300 fee using your money from Pumpfun. That is basically how you can pay Dexscreener from Pumpfun. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.